Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding an email account to Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. In Accounts Settings, select Email and Accounts. From there, click Add Account. Select the type of account you want to add. You will then be redirected to the sign-in page where you can log into the account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.